To make this type of trending AI videos, you need ChatGPT and Kling AI application. So first open ChatGPT and add your photo, then copy and paste this prompt from my description and paste in under your photo in ChatGPT. Now wait for a few minutes until it generates your photo. Now, after getting your photo, save this generated photo in your gallery, and then open the Kling AI application. If you don't have this application, then you can easily download it from App or Play Store. Now open Kling AI application, click on AI video generation, then add your photo, which you just generated from ChatGPT. Now add this another prompt in the prompt section. This prompt is also given in the description. Now click on Generate. Here, it will generate you a 5 seconds video for free, but if you want a long duration video, then you have to take subscription. So if you can afford the subscription, go for it. And in this free generation, it will also take around half an hour, so you have to wait for it to get the result. You can just exit the application and check back later. So here's my result. Now just download it from here, and you are ready to share on your social media. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.